My thoughts for Easter this year. I think we'll start right here on top of this chifforobe. It needs a little brightening up. It needs a little French country maybe. Let's see what we can do. And by the way, I think our theme is going to be bright white, old, antiquish. We'll see how that works out. And here we have our blank canvas ready to start. So let's get started. Okay, I think we have our first little bit of Easter for this year in our French country theme, and we lightened it up with white cloth on the chifforobe, and we brought out some lighter pieces for Easter, and I think it turned out all right. Of course, you can let me know what you think in the comments, but I think it turned out all right. That's our first piece, or our first area for Easter this year. And now we have to move on to the others. Okay, we have a few things finished. This changed around a little bit, but I think it looks all right. We have our bunnies and our eggs, and we lighten it up a little bit, and it's doing well. I hope you got a little inspiration from this. Here we have changed behind the couch. Brought our rooster over here and put out a basket. I still need to put my eggs in this little basket, but I'm waiting for the paint to dry. They're going to have off-white eggs. Put a little bunny over this way, next to our old phone. And we put some of our other old pieces up here. And I think that looks pretty good. Goes with our couch. We move over to our coffee table where we put 3 baskets and some eggs and our dried hydrangea. Then we have a ceramic basket. We use that from year to year. But this year it's in here. We have our little bunny. We bought him on Amazon. And we just finished off with some flowers, moved some of our pieces around, like our candle holder there. That's very nice. Our lucky rocks. Gotta have your rocks and crystals. And that's how we finished that off. Have our antique glass vase. And this little glass thing. And we're gonna put pastel candy in them. We don't have any right now. Next, we have to work on the fireplace. That gives you an idea right there. Brought out our little bunny in a frame, but we have to do the top, because right now we're just set for early in the year after Christmas. So let's get started on this. So, that is not the extent of my French country Easter in the house, but we can't wait forever to get this video up either. And I think I've brought you quite a few ideas. Those are my handmade bunnies. I think they look nice. That's on the dining room table. But we brought you a lot of ideas to work with for your home. And I assume you like French country if you looked up the video. But that is what we have done so far in our French country theme. Keeping it light and white and cream. And trying to turn on a light here. And I think it worked out pretty nice. We wanted to do something different this year than the typical Easter. And I think we've succeeded in that. There's another handmade bunny. Many, many, many of these things you see I made myself, including the ceramics. All the ceramics, like the candle, the pillars holding the candles, the book covers, the prints. I printed that, so that was pretty easy. I just put that in a picture frame. The bird, painted. The little heart rabbit, covered a Valentine box there with printed paper, glued it on there. I like him. He can come out for Valentine's Day too. But anyway, this is what we did for our French country Easter. Maybe in the comments you would like to tell me what you did for your French country Easter, or whatever Easter you decide to have. I just had to come back and show you a few things that I finished up and or changed. I put some greenery in this basket with the eggs. And over here I kind of changed out the colored pastel eggs for some cream color ones. And I took the basket away there that had the pastel eggs, and I put this old tin, and if you can see, I covered these eggs in paper, a French country paper, and in my glass I found some silver candy to put in there. I wanted to brighten it up. I didn't necessarily want the pastel colors. I wanted to stick with the whites and the creams. I think that came out okay. And then if we jump over here, I did this. I put a blue basket on the piano, and we have a little French country rabbit heart to decorate the piano with. That turned out alright. And we still have our fireplace. So I wanted to update you on that. And now more. So as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like. Leave a comment if you like. I hope you got a little inspiration from this. If you can find time to share this video, that would be very nice. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more. There will always be more ideas. More things to come. Spring is coming after Easter. Don't want to miss that. So thank you very much for watching. And please subscribe for more. More of this. More of this. More ideas that you might be able to use in your home.